Hello everybody, this is Gigi from Kauai Community College. This is number 2 in the Integration by Partial Fractions video series. Alright, so let's get started. That fraction looks pretty complicated, right? So we know now that we have to use decomposing fractions to make it simpler. So what we have here is x squared plus 4x plus 1 all over. Now x squared minus 1 can be factored into x plus 1, x minus 1, and then the other factor there is x plus 3. So it looks like we have 3 linear factors. So we will have 3 partial fractions with constants on top, a, b, c, and the first one would be x plus 1, and then x minus 1, and then x plus 3, right? Now, suppose we are going to go and add the fractions on the right-hand side, then a would need to be multiplied by x minus 1 times x plus 3. When we multiply this out, we will get ax squared plus 2ax minus 3a. And then b will have to be multiplied by the factors that aren't under b, which would be x plus 1, x plus 3. So we will then have bx squared plus 4bx plus 3b, and then c will need to be multiplied by what's not under c currently, so that would be x plus 1, x minus 1, and that really is just x squared minus 1, so you will have cx squared minus c right there. Okay. Now, when we combine like terms and match the coefficients, we would say that how many x squares are there? So we would say that 1x squared equals to a plus b plus c x squared. So a plus b plus c has to be 1. How many x's are there? 4. So what equals to 4? 2a plus 4b is equal to 4, and then the constant is 1. So what equals 1? Negative 3a plus 3b minus c is equal to 1. So if we are going to say use this equation number 1 and number 3, combine number 1 and number 3, we will have c being eliminated, and we will have negative 2a. We will have negative 2a. b plus 3b would be 4b is equal to, c is gone, 1 plus 1 is 2. And then we would keep equation number 2, so that we will have 2a plus 4b is equal to 4. Okay, now with these two, we can go ahead and add straight down. The a is going to be eliminated, and we would have 8b is equal to 6. So b will equal to 6 over 8, which will give us 3/4. So b is 3/4. Okay, now let's go to this equation number 2 right here. You would have 2a plus 4 times 3/4 is equal to 4, right? will give us some room so that we can write. So we will have then 4 divide out with 4, right? So we will have 2a plus 3 is equal to 4. 2a is equal to 1, so a is 1/2. And that is a. Now b is going to have to equal to what? Let's go to, well, we got b, now we're looking for c. So let's go to equation number 1. Okay, so equation number 1 says that a, which is 1/2, plus b, which is 3/4, plus c is equal to 1. Okay, so I'm going to write 1/2 as 2/4 plus 3/4 plus c is equal to 4/4. So c will have to be, that is negative 1/4. And that is c. So remember these coefficients now, we're going to have to go back into our fraction from the beginning and split the integral into 3 partial fractions, right? So a is 1/2. So we will have 1/2. I'm going to go ahead and put that in the front, over 1 over x plus 1 dx. And then b is 3/4. So I'm just going to write the constant in the front. 3/4 times 1 over x minus 1 dx, plus c is negative 1/4. Negative, so I'm just going to write minus instead of writing plus a negative. I'm going to write minus 1 over 4 integral of 1 over x plus 3 dx. So we have 3 separate integrals to deal with, but they are just basic integrals, and so that would just be 1/2 ln of x plus 1 plus 3/4 ln of x minus 1 minus 1/4 ln of x plus 3, and don't forget plus c, the constant. And that is the final answer to this problem. And this is why we say, well, that's why U substitution wouldn't work in these cases here, right?